The LG V20 user here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to update Google Chrome on your desktop here. It's really easy to do, guys. If you guys want to update your Chrome browser on your desktop, all you do is go to the three dots right up here, click on that, go down to help right here, go to about Chrome right here, you click on that, and you guys will be brought to the settings page, and you guys will be brought to this page right here, and it says Chrome up to date. If there's an update available, it will install the update for you. So the current version of Chrome right now is version 69. That's a recent update, and as you guys can see here, I had the new Chrome design there. It looks really nice. So that's how you guys update Google Chrome on your desktop. It's really easy. Go to the three dots, go down to help, go to about Chrome, and then you guys will be brought to this page here, and then if there's an update available, let it do its thing, and then once the update is finished, click on relaunch, and it will relaunch with the newest update for Google Chrome on your desktop. So that's how you guys do it. Really simple, and it's easy. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.